Hey, welcome back to Two Ninjas and a Cat. I'm your host, Ninja, and as always, I'm joined by sidekick, Ninja. Yo, we're taping now. Oh, shit. What the hell are you reading?
Nothing.
So, as you know, Sidekick and I have always wanted to move out to Hollywood and have our own late night talk show. Huh? Today's the day. Because our surprise guest is none other than Punchy McPherson.
No way!
The most powerful producer in Hollywood, and he wants to buy our show.
What? Wait. I thought you only produced movies with big boobs. We don't got boobs, man.
It's all about quality. All right, let me teach you something, little bro. You see Hollywood? Mm-hmm. It's a meritocracy.
I knew it.
Please welcome Punchy McPherson. Punchy, hey, welcome. Hey, we de-shoe in this studio. Sorry.
Yeah, that's not happening. All right. Ninjas. Great.
Well, Punchy, you know what? That's a super cool name. I bet you got a great backstory. Can you tell us what, like, how you got? Hey.
I'm just with you. I'm just No, I do that to everybody who asks me that question.
You do that to everybody?
Yeah, I love this guy. All right, listen up. NBC wants to purchase Two Ninjas and a Cat. Where's the goddamn cat? I gotta have the cat. About to punch someone. Now look, calm down, Skippy. Here's the contract, okay? You sign this, and by tonight, you're on your way to Hollywood.
I think there's a mistake. There's just my signature line?
No, it's not a mistake. Look, here's the deal. There's a certain type of ninja that works well with the focus groups.
What other type of ninja is there?
Okay, valid question. I brought along a visual aid. Can we pull that up? Listen, Crazy Rich Ninjas, right? It was a huge hit. It was huge, but it's a flash in the pan.
So you want to turn us into white ninjas?
Look, that guy, that's Timothy Chalamet, right, during the screen test. He is super excited about playing Sidekick Ninja.
Wait, what?
I already have a sidekick.
Really?
Yeah, I'm right here. The show is called Two Ninjas and a Cat.
I do not want to be around when you have to tell him that. That's going to be awkward. I love this guy. Look, this is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, okay? You're not going to get a chance like this again. If you don't sign that contract, I'm going to get up, I'm going to walk out of this shitty apartment, I'm going to go through that f***ing door that doesn't even open, and I'm going to get my Tesla with the doors that go like this, can kiss Hollywood and my ass goodbye. Come on, what's it going to be? Let's go.
And now all the way from Hauppauge, Long Island, tap dancing sensation Melanie Slashky.